Hello everyone, Patrick here. Today I'm going to go over this brand new tool called the BI Doctor. So what the heck is the BI Doctor? Well, this is specifically for Power BI dashboards that you could go in, upload a screenshot, and it'll give you analysis of your Power BI dashboard instantaneously. So how does it work? So first, you take a screenshot and then you upload the screenshot. Next, you would go in and the analysis would happen behind the scenes using an AI model, and then you'll get your report. So what categories or what is it going to look at? So it's going to look at the visual design, executive readability, business storytelling, and a few other information items like Power BI best practices and information density. Pricing, free. Give it a shot. You can upload one right now. So let's take, enough all this talk. Let's actually take a look at one and see how this works and how the analysis worked. A screenshot of the sample that I used. You can see the good thing about this report is it has 4 different sectors, but man, it is cluttered. There's a lot of different sizes. It's hard to see this. There's just a lot of information. But that would be my quick analysis my 30-second analysis of this dashboard. It's super cluttered. It's kind of hard to tell what's important. So, all right, let's see what the BI Doctor said. Go in and take a look at the sample report. Yep, 77 out of 100. B, gives a lot of good information, but visual design, strengths, consistent color, agreed. But missed font sizes and labels, is inconsistent button styling, exactly, dead on. Executive readability, yes, it had KPI cards at the top. There's too many visuals, they're freaking everywhere, competing for attention. Then you could go on and see what other analysis was done. But this literally can be done in 5 minutes. You go in, you take a screenshot of your dashboard, you upload it, and you will get this customized report specifically for Power BI dashboards. That a lot of thought went into the back end of how this should be put together and how you should put this, how you would get a great output. All right, and we also do specific services. So if you want to go further, we can do a full analysis of your dashboard. We can rebuild your dashboard. We can do a video analysis of your dashboard, look at your DAX, your code, your Power Queries, all your data models. We can look at all that also. But to get started, this will give you a good overview of maybe one of your most important dashboards, what you could do to improve it. Or maybe it's perfect. You get 100 out of 100 and you're ahead of the game. You're doing great. But all you got to do is hit get started. All right, great. Can't wait to see what the BI Doctor can do for your dashboards.